Hello and welcome to another TopTipper tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to create your own signage within your dashboard. So you're going to navigate to mydashboard.toptipper.co. This is one of our test accounts, and you can see here on the left side you have different options. We're going to go to signs. Now you can see here we already have some created, but let's create a new one. So we're going to select create a sign. And if you're a car wash, let's say you want to do a wind sign. So you select the sign size, then you select car wash wind sign, and then you have the option here. If you're one location, you're going to choose organization. If you have different properties and you are using a different QR for each location, you're going to select property. So we're going to select property here, and then we'll do property 1, 2, 3. It's going to create the sign. That sign is now shown up here. You have the ability to print this sign. It will not print to 28 by 44 unless you happen to have a printer that can do that. Otherwise, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the sign. We're going to download it. And then you're going to take that downloaded sign and you can take it to your local fast signs or any sign shop that you use, and it's already configured to print 28 by 44, and you can place this on the property as we suggest, at the dry lanes, at the entrance, around the vacuum areas, etc. And this QR code obviously will take customers to the tip page. Now let's say you also want to create business cards. So we're going to go in here, we're going to say I want to do business cards. And I'm again going to do it for the property. This time I want it for this other property. We're going to create those. And you can use business cards to hand them out along with the receipt after someone pays, or your frontline workers can carry them with them. If someone asks how to tip, they hand them the card. You can download these and you can get them printed locally or online. We do have links to print any of these signs online. It's up to you if you want to use them. We have no deal with these people. We just are offering options. In addition to the wind sign and the business card, there's also a letter size sign, a desktop plaque, which is more for our hospitality customers. In addition, you can always download your QR code. And if you have someone good with marketing internally, you can create any kind of piece of collateral that you want. So we have tons of options. We're always here to help, but we want to make this super simple and easy so the tips can start flowing. Thank you and have a great day.